Hello guys, I just wanted to let you hear the thunder for a little bit, and it's raining right now, so it's kind of like nature ASMR. But in this video I wanted to say Colton is so close to 200 subscribers, and it would mean the world to him to reach that. So if you haven't subscribed to Cookie Monster Colton or seen his videos, I highly recommend you do. He's taken a short break, but now he's back at it again, and he's got a new release coming tomorrow. So definitely check out Colton's videos, support his channel, help him reach over the 200 subscribers. He's hoping to get the community tab next year, and let's see if we can make that hope a reality. He's my right-hand man. He's been there for me to help me with the troubles and things that's happened on my channel. So please support my friend Colton, because he is a good content creator. And so that said, I wanted to do a balloon. Ooh, these are like this, so I can't blow this up too big. Oh yeah. Interesting looking balloon. You probably laughed at the ending.